This is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Sq, apartment 104. Today is July 27th, 2013. Actually, it's the 28th, 2013. Coming into the unit, we see the kitchen area, stove, sink, dishwasher, a lot of nice cabinets. Come back from this end, refrigerator there. There's the front door again, peephole so you can see who's outside, fire extinguisher, and your security panel. So coming into the unit, we have the first closet of the day. Hang your winter coats or whatever inside there. Window overlooking the parking area. It's a small deck. If you're a smoker, that's where you'll be smoking. And these rooms look a lot smaller in the video than they are. So if we pan out to the kitchen, this room here is approximately 23.5 by 12. So from where I'm standing down to the closet, it's about 23.5. Adding on to the kitchen, and the kitchen is about 15 by 14 area off this room. And we'll take a look at the appliances inside. Everything's nice and clean. All the shelves are intact. Everything's spotless. Looking at the microwave with the hood fan, everything's spotless. You can see even the tops, sides, doors. Flat top cook stove, clean. Oven, top to bottom, looks like brand new. Here's the sink. Plenty of water pressure. Dishwasher, brand new. Dishwasher's brand new. Under the sink, everything is clean. So we'll continue on the tour to the first bedroom. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. It's about 8 by 11, so it's not real big. Nice window, good closet areas. You can see all these closets have carpet in the bottom, a nice shelf. A little extra carpet from the last install. Thermostat, and this does have central air, so the whole unit has central air. Here's the furnace, that's the interior of the unit. You can see the central air pipes in there too. This bedroom here is the largest bedroom, the master bedroom. It's 11 by 12. New carpet in here this year. Same closets, same mini blinds overlooking the park. It's a little tough to see the park with the sun, but there's a nice walking trail through there. Closet shelf, carpeted in the closet. And once again, this bedroom is about 11 by 12, but then add another 2 feet by about 8 feet for the closet. Coming here, we have a washer and dryer. It's apartment size, shelf on the top. Plenty to do your clothes in. Going into the bathroom, we have a single vanity sink. Nice and clean. The toilet is clean. Everything on both sides clean. Jacuzzi tub. The jets are all clean. Everything's shiny. You kind of see the bottom of the tub here. It's big. You can, like I say, it's got a jacuzzi tub. Looking back out, towel bar, and of course the bathroom door. And then the third bedroom This bedroom here is approximately 8.5 by 13. Then add another 2 feet by about 8 feet for the closet too. Mini blinds on the window overlooking the park. We can take a look in the closet. Plenty of room. So that's getting pretty close to the end of the tour. The 3 bedrooms, and like I say, the smaller bedroom is 8 by 11, plus another 2 feet by 5 feet for the closet. Living room, dining room, it's almost 24 by 12. Looking back, we'll overlook the kitchen again, and we'll see if see anything extra in the kitchen. It's approximately 15 by 14. And that is the tour. The tour of 886 Wescott Sq, apartment 104, here on the 28th of July 2013. Central air, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath with central air. Nice kitchen, beautiful apartment.